Here we go! This is the X1 Carbon. This is Bambu Lab's mid-sized and current flagship 3D printer. It's fully enclosed with a build volume of 256 millimeters cubed. The print quality is some of the best, if not the best in the industry right now, especially with speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. It has a hot end temperature of 300 C and a build plate temperature of 100 C, and will print all of your filaments from PLA and PTG to ABS, ASA, nylon, and even polycarbonates. It comes standard with a hardened nozzle and hardened gears, so you can print abrasive materials like carbon fiber and glass-filled filaments, as well as glow-in-the-dark materials. It also includes LiDAR with dynamic flow calibration for increased print quality, and it comes with a camera for remote monitoring, time lapses, and detecting failed prints. The X1 Carbon is compatible with Bambu Lab's AMS, which is their 4-filament multicolor system that can be connected in series for up to as many as 16 colors using their AMS hub. The X1C has a large touchscreen interface for managing the printer locally, and of course works with Bambu Studio, which is probably the best user experience in 3D printing that exists right now. Next we have the P1S. This is a lightweight version of the X1 Carbon, same size and temperatures. It is enclosed as well, and print quality is going to be nearly identical, if not exactly the same, as the X1 Carbon. It has a small non-touch interface and does not come standard with the hardened nozzle or hardened extruder gears. However, you can buy and upgrade them. It is fully compatible with the AMS, and the remote management user experience will be identical to that of the X1 Carbon for quite a bit less money. Now the P1P. This is essentially the P1S without an enclosure or activated carbon filter, saving you even more money. You can buy an enclosure upgrade kit at any time, or you can print your own enclosure. Bambu has files available for this, and there are already a ton of fun versions out there to choose from. Again, same interface as the P1S and same amazing remote user experience for slicing and management of the printer. As you'd expect, the P1P is the same mid-sized build volume and temperature max printer like the P1S and X1 Carbon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Seriously, do it. We're a small channel, helps us out. The A1 is the most recent mid-sized 3D printer from Bambu Lab. It is an incredibly fast bed slinger with some of the most advanced tech that we've seen in 3D printers ever. The hot end is packed with sensors to detect filament travel, flow, and pressure to make dynamic calculations while it's printing to produce incredible results. It has a nice touch interface and the same remote management experience like other Bambu Lab printers. It's also very quiet. It uses some new silent motor technology to automatically cancel out its motor noise. The A1 uses the new AMS Lite, which is an open-style 4-spool multicolor system which unfortunately cannot be expanded, so just 4. The hot end on this machine can reach a max temperature of 300 C, and its 256 millimeter cubed build volume has a build plate that can reach 100 C. Now, the A1 Mini was released last fall and continues to be one of the hottest entry-level 3D printers ever. Although Bambu Lab is marketing this as a beginner's printer, I personally think it's a printer that everyone should own. It's the most used 3D printer in our home. The A1 Mini produces incredible results, even at high speeds, and is priced so low it's almost too good to be true. The A1 Mini, as the name implies, is smaller in build volume, coming in at 180 millimeters cubed, and has a maximum nozzle temperature of 300 C and a build plate temperature of 80 C, so it's just a little bit cooler there on the build plate compared to the other machines in the Bambu Lab lineup. Both the A1 Mini and A1 are designed for PLAs, PTGs, and TPUs, not for more advanced filaments like ABS and ASA. You'd ideally want enclosures to print those filaments reliably anyway. Fun fact, there are no speakers on the A1 or A1 Mini, so all those musical sounds that you actually hear are the motors. I have dedicated videos on all of these 3D printers. Drop a like and a subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Then go head over and watch them all. And there you have it. I'll have links in the description. Enjoy!